Hi guys, so today we're gonna unbox some toys with my little brother John Renz. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so today we're gonna unbox some. First, we're gonna show John Ren's toy, and then here is my toy.
This is my tower frame.
And me, I got my Strike Freedom Gundam. So let's open it. Okay, just wait, one more tape. And let's open it. There. Now first, Janet, give me my clippers. Wow, it's here. Okay, first let's show you the parts. There. Wow, there's a lot of parts. And here, the instructions. First, I'll put it right over here. And then we open it. Okay. There. Okay guys, so here are all of the parts. Here's the instructions. Here are the clippers that we are gonna use to cut the parts. And my tita is gonna help me build it. So hope me and her good luck.
Yeah. Hey yo, we did an unboxing my thing. I found this one. Look. Oh, we got batteries. Okay, here's these. I still need to put Hi, I'm done. I put this down. Up. You cannot go not here. Look. See?
Hey guys, so I finished that. It was fun, even though I got help for my tita and the head. And my daddy also helped me for the weapons and the wings. And here are the shield, the sabers, and also the other two hands. And this is what it looks like without the wings. Okay, now I will just pose it to make it look like that. Okay guys, so now that I have finished the posing, I will put it back in the box later. Okay, Janrans, now you're gonna say the ending.
My friends, I think Daddy might help me, also my tita, and
So, goodbye guys. Please like and subscribe. Check our other videos about taking a bath Jody, unboxing stuff, just like what we did now.
But you forgot the oh no.
Oh yeah, don't forget the Ono and the exploring the farm basketball time. And please like and subscribe and share the video to everyone else so that we could get a lot of views. Bye!
Like the bell.